Users have been turning to ChatGPT, the popular chatbot created by OpenAI, for assistance with a variety of tasks such as updating resumes, finding recipe ideas, and overhauling dating profiles. While some fear that the chatbot could potentially eliminate jobs, it has also introduced ways to make work more efficient, allowing users to focus their energy on other tasks and projects. One such example is by using generative AI to assist with data processing programs such as Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. ChatGPT can suggest the best formulas to use within datasets to identify insights quickly. It can also write Excel scripts or macros, which can be run repeatedly, making work more efficient. The chatbot can help design or find a spreadsheet that fits a specific template with headings and categories already implemented. If a user needs a function that isn't already available in Excel or Sheets, ChatGPT can help walk them through the process of writing it in a program such as the Google Apps script. ChatGPT can analyze data by finding trends, summarizing information into a few key statistics, and even help to create charts and different ways to visualize data. It can also quickly identify errors or missing data points, offering remedial suggestions along the way. ChatGPT can assist users in integrating data into other programs or help with importing and exporting data to an API. For beginners, ChatGPT can walk them through common Excel tricks to make the program more efficient, such as keyboard shortcuts or step-by-step directions on how to format data in a certain way. It can also help with general troubleshooting as issues arise with a spreadsheet. Finally, the chatbot can recommend other tutorials or guides available online based on the user's current Excel skill level or the specific task they are looking to complete. If you liked the video, then subscribe this channel to watch more such videos. Thank you. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.